my God. Is that Brian?
Uy, ay teka. Si Ella yun ah.
Oh no! I need to hide! Well, clearly I'm not over him. Has he forgiven me? After all these years?
5 years na. Hindi ko pa rin makalimutan yung sinabi ng daddy niya. Hindi ko raw siya kayang buhayin sa sweldo ko. Ayan na naman siya. Pero wushu! Inantay mo rin naman eh. Uy. Baka masaktan ka na naman.
Uy, ikaw pala yan.
Ang ganda pa rin ng smile niya. Sir! Yes, sir!
Brian, can you do me a favor, please?
I just left the office.
Still have to check the annual report. Will you please do it?
Okay, sige. I'll go back, sir.
I need it first thing in the morning tomorrow. We also have a delivery tomorrow in Batangas. Please double check, okay?
What if I see him again today? Kasi naman, I should have stood up for us then. He said hi naman. That's a good thing. Is that a start? Go, Ella.
Oh, kailangan mo ng tulong?
Uy, Bri. Yes, please. Ayaw mag-start eh.
Hi. I miss him.
Mukhang patay na baterya mo.
Oh, no.
Late na. Bukas na magagawa yan. Gusto mo, hatid na lang kita?
Sure. Okay lang. If it's not a hassle for you.
Sus, ikaw pa. Tara.
I should have fought for us kahit ayaw ni Dad. I was so young then. But I can make my own decisions now. Pero do we still have a chance?
Ano ba to? Nasaktan na ako dati. Pero bakit parang siya pa rin talaga? I-go ko na kaya to ulit. Lord, please give me a sign.
Go na tayo.
Ano?
Wala. Sabi ko go na. Tara, dinner tayo.